Good morning, candidates. This is one-liners for June 2020 MICA. I have already posted one video. I will give that link for that video in the comments column. The first point is Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Urban Livelihoods Mission was signed MOU with which e-commerce company to market products made by self-help groups in India? The answer is Amazon. I think we discussed this point yesterday also. Doesn't matter. Good. Student health card scheme for school children has been launched in which union territory recently? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Microsoft announced a partnership with which bank to train differently abled people to find jobs in the banking and financial services insurance sector? This also we studied. The answer is State Bank of India. Recently, which state government has introduced two schemes, CMAST and CMAT, to benefit sports persons and artists in the state? The answer is Manipur. Now we are coming to national and state. Indian Railways South Central Railway Zone has become first zonal railway in the country to have functional energy neutral railway stations on their network. Where is the headquarters of South Central Railways located? Answer is Secunderabad. I think it's in Telangana. The world's biggest cricket stadium, the Motera Stadium, renamed as Sardar Vallabhbhai Stadium. Where is Motera Stadium located? The answer is Ahmedabad. The National Maritime Heritage Complex will be set up in which state? Gujarat, Lodhal. Recently, who has unveiled 63 feet tall statue of former Bharatiya Janata Sangh leader Pandit Deena Dayal Upadhyaya? In which place? Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. The answer is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Arunachal Pradesh has celebrated its 34th statehood day on 20th February. The question is, who is the governor of Arunachal Pradesh? The answer is B.D. Mishra. Indian Railways has launched its first restaurant on wheels at the circulating area of which railway station recently? Restaurant on wheels. The answer is Asansol in West Bengal. Indian Air Force has signed an MOU with which university to establish a chair of excellence? The answer is Savitribai Phule University. Airport Authority of India and which state government has signed a memorandum of understanding for the construction of 6 equipment hiring centers? Answer is Tripura. We have a candidate from Tripura also who is joining UCO Bank. Khelo India University Games concluded in Bhubaneswar on 1st March. Which university topped in Khelo India University Games? The answer is Punjab University, Chandigarh. Next question. The Legislative Assembly. The Legislative Assembly of which state has become paperless recently? The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Government of India has declared National Chambal Sanctuary as eco-sensitive zone recently. It is situated in which state? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. What is that? National Chambal Sanctuary. In which city Pusa Krishi Vigyan Mela 2020 was inaugurated by the Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar recently? The answer is New Delhi. Which state government has decided to ban online food supply from all hotels, dhabas, which do not follow the hygiene rating rules under the Food Standards and Safety Act? The answer is Punjab. The theme of National Safety Day 2020, the National Safety Day 2020 is what? Enhance health and safety performance by use of advanced technology. It is celebrated every year on 4th March. In which city the Antar Rashtriya Yoga Mahotsav was inaugurated? Rishikesh. Rishikesh is in which state? Rishikesh is in which state? I think Uttarakhand. Yeah. Recently, who has released the book titled Chronicles of Change Champions in New Delhi? Smriti Zubin Irani. Please check up for what she is the minister. Namaste Orcha festival is celebrated in which state? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Recently, which state announced to provide credit guarantee loans for higher education? It's a North Indian state, Haryana. Recently, which state government has approved the implementation of Happy Hour for auto rickshaws? Maharashtra. I don't know what is that Happy Hour. If anybody can tell about that, it's good. Please put it in your comments. In which city main national event to commemorate the 6th International Day of Yoga will be held? The answer is Leh in Ladakh, where our Prime Minister was there yesterday trying to encourage the soldiers. Recently, which state assembly has approved the caste validity certificate bill? Recently, which state assembly has approved the caste validity certificate bill? Maharashtra. People coming from Maharashtra, please get to know about that in detail. Similarly, this Happy Hour also, please get to know about it. If you get some details or some links, please put it in the comments column. An exhibition titled Jallianwala Bagh is scheduled to be held in which city on the occasion of 130th Foundation Day of National Archives of India? The answer is New Delhi. The National Crime Records Bureau, NCRB, celebrated its 35th inception day on 12th March. NCRB, National Crime Records Bureau, 35th inception day. That is, it was started 35 years ago. Recently, which state government has launched 3 ambitious schemes for skill development and employment generation for youths in the state? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Incidentally, once you read this, you must try to know who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, who is the Governor of Uttar Pradesh, some other details about Uttar Pradesh. You can get to know about it. Maharashtra Cabinet approved the proposal to rename Mumbai Central Station in the name of Nana Shankar Seth. Nana Shankar Seth. Next question. National Book Trust will launch Corona Studies series books to provide relevant reading materials for all age groups for the post-corona readership needs. So these are the points covered in this page. Now many candidates are writing to me, sir, how to study for current affairs. The current affairs you can study by going through every day one newspaper. It can be Hindu or Times of India or Indian Express or say Hindustan Times, any one newspaper you read. Also, go through Bankers Adda or testbook.com or Olive Board or Affairs Cloud or so many other sites are there. Sorry, I'm not remembering all the names. So any one site or two sites you follow for daily GK, and whenever you read, you try to associate with something you know so that you can recollect it immediately. In fact, in my evening classes 4:45 to 5:45, some candidates will come and they will remember immediately. The moment I tell the question, they will give me the answer. So like that ability you can develop provided you concentrate and read. I thought I should tell you these points for 10 minutes. Just I'm sure you will go through the book also, read and update yourself. So thank you so much.